Still removing backgrounds one image at a time? What if you could remove backgrounds from multiple images simultaneously, automatically? Meet AutoRemoveBG, the AI bulk background remover built for speed. Removing backgrounds manually can be frustrating. Upload, wait, download, repeat again and again. Whether you're a designer, content creator, marketer, or online seller, those minutes quickly turn into hours. AutoRemoveBG changes that. Simply drag and drop images directly from your computer or any website. Click Start. The extension automatically removes backgrounds using AI and downloads completed images for you. No complicated editing, no design skills required, just drag, drop, and done. Need to process large batches? AutoRemoveBG supports parallel processing with up to 12 workers. That means multiple images are processed at the same time instead of waiting one by one. More images, less waiting, more productivity. Perfect for product photos, social media content, marketing assets, catalogs, and e-commerce stores. You might be wondering, how good are the results? Don't worry, you can try AutoRemoveBG for free and see the quality yourself. On screen, we're comparing real outputs from AutoRemoveBG and Remove.bg. As you can see, the background removal quality is clean, accurate, and ready for product photos, social media content, marketing materials, and online stores. Try it yourself and compare the results side by side. Ready to save hours of editing time? Install AutoRemoveBG today and start removing backgrounds faster than ever. Join creators, designers, marketers, and sellers who are already using AI to automate their workflow. We'd love to see what you create. Share your results on social media using hashtag. All creators will receive an exclusive up to 30% discount code for future purchases. AutoRemoveBG, bulk background removal made simple. Drag, drop, done.